Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML course. We're talking about web graphics. We're talking about the JPEG file format. The JPEG file format, that stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. They're photographic experts, right? JPEG is a great file format for compressing photographs. And alright, so you see this is my headshot and it's a JPEG. And what I want to do is show you how this compression works by doing something your users can't do on your website. I'm going to zoom into 1600%. Okay, and what I want you to notice is these square areas, the larger square areas. I mean, of course we are looking at individual pixels here, but you can also see these squares. And that's how the JPEG file compression does its compression, is it divides your image up into these squares, and then it makes some judgments based on contrast and what the image might look like if it were in black and white. It strips the color out first and thinks about it, and then it puts some color back in, and it just puts in enough to kind of trick the eye. So that way it can discard 90% of the information without anybody being able to tell that it's gone. So that's pretty cool. So this is a 500 by 500 pixel image, and let me show you what that means. It says the original would be 732K, but compressed as a JPEG, it's 52K, right? So that is less than 10% of the original size. And the way it did that compression is it just thought about each of these squares in terms of contrast and also in terms of the colors that it decided to keep. It's great for compressing photographs, and that's how it works. I want to show you how it looks like when it's compressed a lot, and these squares become a lot more visible. Because they're flatter, so they have more edges, right? So when it throws away more information, it looks blockier. When it keeps more information, it looks a lot smoother. You can't hardly make out those big squares at all. All right? Okay, so we'll go back to 100%. I just want to show you that even on the low setting, it doesn't look terrible until you really focus on it, and then you can kind of tell that there's some problems around the edges, and those go away when you boost the quality back up. All right, thanks. Oops.